how to connect to their energy, how to connect to their coordinates. Shaitans are aggressive and eager to do what they're doing. And the heavens comes and teaches, sacrifice your time, sacrifice your ability, sacrifice yourself, and this is the beauty of the heavens, not people. Shaitan wants to sacrifice people, then they broadcast it on the news and say, oh, these Muslims are a death cult. Why? Because you kill them and they don't say anything? We're being killed, we're not killing, we are the lambs. And what the heavens is teaching is that sacrifice yourself, sacrifice bad character, not blow yourself up, it's haram. That's somebody else's religion. And Nabi Musa said, kill yourself, Allah will forgive you. That's not our religion. In Qur'an clarifies, when they did wrong, Nabi Musa came to his people, kill yourself, Allah will forgive you. Prophet said, you are in hell. What they do is what they do. Islam is forbidden. The sacrifice that Islam asks is yourself. Come against your devil, come against your desire, come against everything. If you think you want to be fashionable, come against it to an extent. If you want to eat something, come against it. In every aspect of our life we try, even just little steps, is continuously sacrifice. Too busy with work, sacrifice your time, visit your shaykh. There are people who have a shaykh and they never come to visit. And in the end you say, what? What was more important? Your work? What are you going to do with your work? The day comes when nothing will be in your bank account, there won't be any work. The fitna will be so great that everybody will be locked down. And at that time what did you do? You prepared and put all your time for dunya and sacrificed none of your time for your akhirah. I said, because I don't want to dig a hole, but Allah works through a means. Did you think you were going to sit there and they're going to teach you the secrets of Surah Yasin and you're going to leave with speaking fluent Arabic and knowing all of these secrets? Or that you would dig something, lift something, do something, and Allah would bestow realities and lights into your heart.